You think Italian food is all about pizza and pasta? Wait, you're missing the real story. Italian cuisine is built on three simple rules: fresh ingredients, bold simplicity, and centuries-old regional traditions. Pizza Margherita, created to honor an Italian queen, with colors matching the national flag. Carbonara, originally made by Italian coal workers using just eggs, cheese, and pepper. Lasagna, one of the oldest pasta dishes on record, dating back to ancient Rome. Risotto, born in northern Italy where rice was introduced through ancient trade routes. Tiramisu, the dessert literally means pick me up, created to boost energy with coffee and cocoa. If you want to discover the surprising story behind Italy's most famous dish, stick around. Our next video dives deep into the world of pizza margherita.